cleaning your sofa and chairs with furniture cleaners. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Even if you stay on top of your cleaning duties, sometimes you may forget to clean the upholstery of your sofa and chairs. Some people actually believe this is because the task is difficult. The major problem comes from the fact that you cannot just use any solution out there. You have to employ specialized cleaners and tools to get the job done. Sure, you cannot put the couch in the washing machine, but you can still give the cleaning service that your furniture deserves. Bear in mind that these items see quite a lot of use. If you like to hang out on the couch or you have a pet that roams there freely, it is about time you employ working cleaning tips. Let's get started to find out several tips. Whatever upholstery cleaner you use, test it first. Some fabrics are more delicate than others. The cleaning solution you pick for them must be selected carefully. Whatever cleaning method you employ, and whatever the type of upholstery you have at home, you need to test the cleaner first. Pick a small, inconspicuous area of the furniture and apply a little bit of the solution there. Keep watch to see if there is any negative reaction, such as discoloration or another form of damage. Only then will you know what solution is safe to use on your delicate furniture. Keep the cleaning process of fabric chairs simple. The different fabrics react differently to cleaning detergents, and the last thing you want is to damage them. That is why you should not always rush with more sophisticated products. The occasional dab of water will often do the trick just fine. What you can do is see to it that you vacuum the fabric part of your couch and chairs frequently. That will keep dust and other nasty particles from accumulating there. In case of a stain, be quick to react, or you will be in trouble. Blot the stain repeatedly to take care of any excess liquid and prevent it from further penetrating into the material. Then use a specialized cleaning solution to take care of the stain. Make sure you pick a cleaner that works for the type of material you have. Follow the instructions on the label to the letter. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Be careful when cleaning leather. To clean leather furniture, you have to employ different products than when you are cleaning fabric materials. Alternatively, you can make your own cleaner by mixing mild clothes detergent with some water. Apply this on a microfiber cloth to spot treat the area. Experts say saddle soap also works well. The oils and waxes of the soap will clean the surface and moisturize the material, keeping its shine over time. With saddle soap, you need to be mindful of oversaturating the material. Deodorize the area. You can easily deal with dust, stains and bacteria thanks to most furniture cleaners. However, dealing with embedded smells is something else entirely. One strategy you can use is to sprinkle the area with baking soda. Leave it there overnight and then vacuum the area with the appropriate attachment. One more method you can use is to air out your furniture whenever possible by letting in some fresh air on a breezy day. As you can see, there is not much to clean your furniture with upholstery cleaners. Now that you know of these methods, you can employ them to deal with stains and other unpleasant issues. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out about tips to do cleaning under the bed easier. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Check the description below to see our favorite products. Visit our website fastklean.co.uk for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Choose your date in the description below.